Students, now when we have seen different kind of sample space for different random experiment of tossing a particular coin, maybe 1 coin, 2 coin or 3 coin tossing simultaneously, let's proceed further. What could be the different types of events taking place? So we take one by one case and we try to elaborate what are the different types of events taking place. The first one being when a coin is tossed. So when a coin is tossed, we are aware that the sample space is h comma t, n of s is 2. Now let A be the event. Let A be the event of getting a head. Let A be the event of getting a head. So when I say A be the event of getting a head, how many heads do I have? I have only one head. So what will be my answer? I will have event A with only one sample point, and that sample point is going to be h. And that sample point is going to be h. What I'll say, n of A will be, since I have only one sample point, my n of A is going to be 1. My n of A is going to be 1. Likewise, if the question would be, let B be the event of getting one tail, then again, B be the event of getting one tail. Instead of h, I shall get t, and my n of B will be 1. Let's see what could be the probable events we can get in the second one. When 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, we are aware now when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, what happens? The sample space is given by HH, HT, TH and TT, and N of S is 4. Now children, kindly pay attention to this particular events, what I'm going to say right now. Please pay attention. Let A be the event. Let A be the event of getting exactly 2 heads. Let A be the event of getting exactly 2 heads. So let me just write down this besides. I want exactly 2 heads. Now when they say exactly 2 heads, that means 1 will not do. They want exactly 2. So is this going to come? Indeed. So I'm going to write down HH. Now let me further ask you people, is this going to come? No, it has only one head. This one? No. This one? No head. When they say exactly 2 heads means I want the same number. So A will be the event having sample points HH. N of A will be 1. N of A will be 1. Let me put one more question, children. Let B be the event. Let B be the event of getting at the most 2 heads. At the most 2 heads. So let me write down that also. At the most. At the most 2 heads. At the most 2 heads. Understand the English. At the most means maximum. Maximum I can have 2 heads. Minimum I can have 1 also, even 0 also. Once again children, let B be the event of getting at the most 2 heads. Means maximum to maximum is what I can have is 2 heads. Minimum to minimum is what I can have is 0 head. So what will be my sample point then? My sample point will be maximum 2 head. So this will come. Even 1 head will do. Why? Because maximum 2, minimum 0. So 1 lies in between them. Even this is going to do. Even this is going to do. Will TT come in this? The answer is no. TT will not come in this. Why? They want maximum at the most. I'm so sorry. At the most 2 heads. What shall be my N of B? My N of B shall be 3. Let C be the event. Let's take the third and the last interesting event over here. Let C be the event of getting at least 1 tail. At least means minimum. At least means minimum. So minimum they want 1 tail. Maximum is what they can have 2 tail also. At least means minimum. Understand once again. How did we understood? At the most means maximum. At least means minimum. At least 1 tail. So minimum 1 tail is what they want. Maximum even 2 is going to do. So what shall be the sample points in event C? In event C, what shall be the sample point? At least 1 tail. Is this going to come? No, there are no tails. This, indeed, yes. This one, yes. How about children? This one, Certainly, certainly yes, as everybody must have recollected that at least one tail, so even maximum 2 is going to do. TT will come in this. What shall be my n of c? My n of c will be again 3. So children, I just wanted you all to pay attention, emphasize on these words exactly. That means you have to give the same number. At the most means maximum to maximum, that should be there. Minimum to minimum is what you have to calculate from your side. At least means minimum to minimum is what should be there. Maximum is what you need to calculate from your end. Let's take one more. So what is the third sample space we have? When 3 coins are, rather third random experiment what we have. When 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. We all are aware what is sample space? What is n of s? Again, let's take one by one the condition. Let A be the event. Let A be the event of getting exactly 2 tail. So let me say A be the event of getting exactly 2 tail. So what shall be there in my sample points? Let's start. Is this going to come? No. This one? No. This? No. This? No. Here we do have 2 tails. So shall I say HTT? How about THT? Indeed. How about TTH? Can I say TTT? The answer is no. Why? Exactly means you have to have only 2 tails. So what is my n of A then? My n of A is going to be 3. Let's take one more. Let B be the event. Let B be the event of getting at least one head. So I'm writing at least one head. At least one head. Now when I say at least one head, minimum one head, maximum 3 is going to do. Minimum one head, maximum 3 is going to do. So what are the sample points going to be there in my event B? At least, minimum. Is HHH going to come in this? Certainly yes. How about the next one? HHT? Yes. HTH? THH? HTT? THT? TTH? By this time there are many who must have given answer also. Sir, barring, leaving TTT, everything will be there. Leaving TTT, one head. So minimum 1, maximum 3. N of B is going to be 7. Lastly, can we say that? Let C be the event of getting at the most 2 tail. Let C be the event of getting at the most 2 tail. At the most. Maximum to maximum 2 tail, children. Minimum 1 will do. Even 0 will also do. No tail will also do. So when I say no tail, is HHH going to come? Certainly yes. At the most 2 tail. HHH. 0 tail will also do, children. 0 tail will also do. HHT. Maximum 2 tail. Keep this in mind. HTH. How about THH? Yes. Next, HTT. Once again, at the most, maximum 2. HTT, will it? Minimum 1, maximum 2. HTT. THT. Is it? THT. TTH. Is TTT going to come? Is TTT going to come? Is TTT going to come into this? No, TTT shall not come into this. TTT shall not come into this. So what is my N of C? My N of C is going to be, again, leaving TTT is what I'm going to have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. N of C is 7. So I just wanted my children to focus on these kind of, the words which they happen to give you during the examination. Exactly, at the most, at least. Remember this and you can solve your probability sums very, very easily. I just want you to once again go through the entire thing.